Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, I've got exciting news. Woof, woof. What is it? We've got some new vehicles today. We've got Rubble and Marshall's new Ultimate Rescue Vehicles. Whoa! I'll go get everybody so we can see them. Woohoo! This is going to be so exciting. Let's check out the vehicles we have, and then we will look at the new ones. Let's get started. So, first off, we've already unboxed Chase's Ultimate Rescue Vehicle. Now, the cool thing about this vehicle is it holds 2 pups. So, let me grab another pup. Here's Zuma. And he can sit back here so they can go on a rescue together. And then this lifts up like that. And this part comes out so he can tow someone. And you have a barricade on the back to stop traffic. Halt! Don't come through! There's dangerous work ahead. And this part lifts up. But one of the really cool things that it does is it has this piece. And you can attach a mini vehicle to it. You can either attach the Chase helicopter like that, or you can attach any of the other mini vehicles like Rubble's digger like that. And there's another one on this side, so you can attach 2 different ones and create a whole new vehicle. Whoa! And now we can put pups in here and hold 4 pups. That is awesome. So here's Chase's vehicle. We've also unboxed Rocky's vehicle. Whoa, that's cool. And Chase can sit back here and he can do the same thing. You can attach a vehicle here or over here. This. And this actually pulls out like that. And you attach the vehicle on. Here you go, Chase. You can go in your helicopter. And then this spins around. And he's got a hook on the back. And this pulls down. Very neat. There you go. So there's Rocky's vehicle. We've also unboxed Zuma's vehicle. And let's get Zuma back over here. And it spins in the back. That. And this part goes back and forth. And instead of a vehicle attaching, we have this, the hang glider. Okay? And Zuma snaps in, and he can fly. And it attaches up here. Let me zoom you out so you can see. And he's on his hang glider. Time to lift into the air. Whoa! That's awesome! Who's driving this boat? And down here, we can attach Marshall's vehicle, like that. And ta-da! That's my favorite so far. Super cool. I can't wait to unbox Marshall's Ultimate Rescue Vehicle. That's going to be so cool. That's one of the new ones we have today. I'm really excited. Here is Skye. Woo! Uh-oh, we knocked it over. And Skye has this part right here with a hook to help with rescues. And it comes out like that. And in here is where her second person can sit. So we've got Rocky. And in he goes, just like that. Long for the ride. And double blades on top. She can attach her little mini vehicle over here, just like that. And then we can attach Rocky's mini vehicle over here. Very cool, Skye. Now, here's some of the ones we've already unboxed. Guess what we have? Dun 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 dun! It's Marshall's new vehicle! And you can fit 2 pups in it. I cannot wait to see what this cool vehicle does. Wow! So we're going to unbox Marshall's vehicle here in just a second. And who else are we missing? Oh, do you know who's this badge for? It's for Rubble. We have to do Rubble's vehicle. Here we go. Are you ready? Have you seen Rubble's ultimate rescue vehicle yet? There we go. Rubble on the double. We're so excited. Whoa. And here's a little Rubble figurine that comes with it. Rubble on the double. And he sits right up here. Now if he wants a second person to help him with his rescues, we'll grab Chase. They can sit back here. Ta-da! But be careful, Chase. It's a dump truck. Dump! And we've got a scoop so that we can scoop things. And let's see, does it spin? There we go. And we can scoop Chase back up. Ta-da! Don't worry, Chase. We've got you. And the front moves up and down. And then he can attach tiny vehicles on both sides. So let's grab the mini Rubble vehicle and attach it right here, like that. And Chase can sit in this. There we go. So we have Chase, Rubble, and we're going to put Skye's helicopter on this side. There's Skye, and we need Marshall! There we go. And there's Marshall in the back. Now we have 4 pups. Careful, Marshall. Beep, beep. So, now we have Rubble's vehicle, Skye, Rocky, Zuma, and Chase. Are you ready to see the Marshall vehicle? I know I am. Let's open it up. Here is Marshall's fire truck, the ultimate rescue from Spin Master. Oh, look at the back. Shows you the ladder, and there's Chase helping out. You know what? Chase needs his fireman outfit on. We've got to go find Fireman Chase. I'll be right back. Here I am, guys. Fireman Chase, ready to go. And I brought the whole fireman crew. Fireman Zuma and Rubble. We're ready to put out fires, Marshall. The whole Paw Patrol is ready to be a firefighter. So, let's get the fire truck out and see if we can get them all in it. Here we go. It's the fire truck. I think I see Marshall inside. Oh, looky, it lifts just like the big fire truck that we did a video of. That is awesome. And it comes with a firefighter Marshall. And he can sit right in here. Very nice. Let's see what else this cool vehicle does. Here's our ladder. And it spins around like this. Oh, looky. It folds out so it gets even longer. So we can reach super tall buildings. Oh, that is so cool. And fold it back in. and it spins back around. Wow. And here's the back. Here's a claw. In case we need to grab anything. And it slides back in. This vehicle is so cool. Here's the little attachment so we can attach 2 other vehicles. So let's see, we've got Marshall in there. We're gonna pull out our ladder and we're gonna put Chase, Fireman Chase, in the bucket. So that's 2 pups. And now we need to get 2 of the mini vehicles. Here is Chase's helicopter. There we go. Attach it on. And then we're going to attach on Rubble's bulldozer in case we need it for the rescue. Very good. And let's see, let's put Rubble on the double in his bulldozer. And Chase, we're going to put you down here in your helicopter. Then we're going to put Skye up here in the bucket. There we go. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pups. Here is Rocky. And we're going to put Zuma back here on the ladder. And that is everybody. We got all 6 fire pups on this vehicle. You could even put Rocky back here like that. Uh-oh! Watch out, Skye. You've got to hold on when we're driving. There we go. Rocky, Zuma, Skye, Rubble, and then Marshall's inside. And then Chase. They're ready to go on a big rescue. I love this vehicle. It is super cool. Now let's fold everything back up. There we go. And there is our ultimate rescue fire truck. I really enjoyed showing you all of these cool toys. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe for lots more toy videos. Thanks, guys.
All have sinned, yes, all have sinned, and all fall short of the glory of God. And there is none, not even one, none righteous, no, not even one. For the wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life. If you declare that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised him up from the grave, you will be saved. Yes, you will be saved.